Hello, hello. This is the my artifact episode number 2721. Today's date is 27 April 2023. It's almost like uh, evening at 7:22 p.m. All right. Um, Before the artifact episode, na, I I literally too much think about ki what should I talk in the artifact episode. All right. But since I pushed the record button, na, it's just completely blind. Okay, like basically is that key. How should I begin with this thing? It just blank out. It just little bit of just too much. I don't know, na. My mind is actually thinking something really different. Like it actually finding some sort of a negative points. All right, and I am not really sure how is this thing is actually happened because of that. No, कि, what is exactly is this thing? This thing is that कि, um, as a person who like in during the life during the process of being alive, you always didn't really found something really good stuff. Like 10 में से 9 तो हमेशा नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ही होते हैं and you found only one positive point. All right. But as a mind, you have to be focused on the positive point. So because of that, now you actually change your perspective towards the positive things, and eventually, some of the good things is start happening. All right. But if you focus on the negative points, then your brain and your mind and everything is actually focused on negative things, and you started thinking something really negative all the time, and that is really not so good because it leads to some sort of negative space. All right. So uh, like I am not that person. Yeah, I am actually kind of like a finding a positive person in negative world. So I am that person. But it's just like that ki sometimes someday I feel that ki my mind is actually little bit of fucked up, and I was, yeah. um Also one thing is that ki, but why do you feel that ki negative? It's about um it's about the masturbation. Yeah, like today I masturbate after the 2 days of gap. Like I decided that ki I have to gap one masturbation to second masturbation for at least 5 to 7 days. Okay, having that gap 5 to 7 days is kind of like a something really good. Okay, during this 5 to 7 days, you actually your testosterone create that sperm, semen, everything. All right. If you masturbate less than uh, less than gap between 5 to 4 days, okay, then eventually it affect on your body. You start thinking about something really bad stuff will happen. All right. So like basically is that ki masturbation is also a part of addiction. Yeah. If you didn't really control it properly, yeah, you need a masturbation, yes, but if you do it kind of like something really excessively, then eventually this process is something really hard. All right. So so that's why I just felt really wrong. um, all those years, all those things, I was actually trying to stop masturbation and things like that, but it didn't really happen. Okay, I don't know. And also one thing is that masturbation is kind of like a something really natural, that I understand that you can't stop it. Yeah, you can hold for little bit period of time, but one day or one time you have to masturbate. All right. So I set some sort of boundaries to myself that I will masturbate after 5 days of gap or 6 days of gap. All right. 7 days are really amazing. All right. So having that gap, it's good. All right. Uh, but sometimes I cross that boundary and I break the rules. All right. So for that particular purpose, I also created some sort of a reaction, that what should I do to hold myself to not to do that. All right. So there are several steps. First of all is that finding the triggered point, like a what is the triggered point, that after you saw some sort of a thing you feel little bit of horny. What is the triggered point? Usually, most of the time, Instagram is a kind of like a thing. Okay, but from last month, yeah, just almost like a 2 days ago, yesterday I installed Instagram. But day before that, I was not really using Instagram that much. No, 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 not even a close. Yeah, like almost like a entire month I am not accessing Instagram. All right, now accessing Instagram, but I don't have a app. Having a app means you are a bit really addicted. Not having a app, that means you have to go to the browser and start accessing. It's kind of like a taking little bit of several steps to reach to access Instagram. Okay, so that several steps is kind of like a create some sort of a problem to access, so you are not actually accessing the Instagram. All right. So it just the point that I'm trying to tell you, ki most of the time I was actually triggered by the Instagram. Okay. So overcome that thing, I uninstalled this app, and it eventually led me something really good. Okay, I was not really triggered by the Instagram, so that is good. Right now I have Instagram app, but um, I'm not using it for that, like watching reels and everything. All right, I am use Instagram for uploading reels, uploading shorts, sorry, uploading reels, uploading story. Okay, specifically story, because you can add link on the story that you can't do it on the web browser, or else you can't do it on the Facebook create Meta Studio. You can't do that stuff. It's only you can do on the mobile in the app. All right, so that's why I installed this Instagram app. And since like basically yesterday I installed this Instagram, but I haven't really used that much, nothing at all. All right, so today I masturbate. What is a triggered point? Triggered point is that it was actually happened yesterday. Okay, what is really happened yesterday? Yesterday, after the workout, now I came home, I do shower, everything is really good. All right. Then I sit in front of my desk and just wanted to watch something really YouTube. All right. But I found something really spicy video on the YouTube. What is a spicy video? Like there is a lady or some sort of a lady who is actually trying some sort of a bikini, like different types of bikini, and she presenting that how she looks on your body, on her body, sorry, on her body. So it bit sexy. All right. and she was wearing that bikini in a way it was kind of like something really very hot. All right. So I just, that is a triggered point. All right. And I watched that video, and then after that I watch another video. So this is the triggered point. This is the point that I already triggered about the sex. All right. Then what I did is that I went to the Google, go to the incognito app, go to the incognito. What is incognito? Incognito means like that कि there is a tab you can whatever access, whatever the thing that you access in incognito. Okay, as a Google, as a Chrome, don't really save that much data. Okay, it's a kind of like a something really private browsing. All right. So I just went to incognito and just and search about Snapchat nude pics. All right, click on that, and I found several videos, and most of the videos are kind of like a relate to the sex. It is sex, yeah. Nude pics, that means sex. Okay, so those are already triggered. Um, Eventually after that I found some sort of movies who is actually include some sort of a nude scene. All right, I search those movies. There are two movies. First movie's name is Desired Q. This movie is a French movie. Okay, I was so horny, so I downloaded that movie last night. I didn't really watch that movie. It's almost like a night. All right, it's almost like after I ate my dinner now. All right, so I download that movie, and also there is also another movie is Love. All right, both the movies are literally sexual. All right, sexual, yeah. Is it sexual? Not just kind of like something really showing boobs and things. No, actually there is a person who is doing sex with another person. All right, so yeah, these are those movies. All right, but yesterday I didn't really watch it. Why? Because I actually decided that if I masturbate yesterday, that means it took me almost like a 1 day of hold. Okay, and I don't want to be 1 day of hold. I want at least 3 or 4 day of hold. I just thought that ki maybe today I will hold so I can masturbate tomorrow. So that means 4 day of hold. But eventually that doesn't work. Alright. Soon as I wake up at morning, alright, um I was bit really like I just wanted to watch that movie. Alright. So after the breakfast, I just jump right in. I just watch those movies, and yeah, this movie is like 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Yeah, I just I just watch some of the best part about the movies. All right. Then in the end, I already triggered that much. All right. It just yeah, and then I watch porn, and then I masturbate. I masturbate at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Are you fucking kidding me? Yaar? Like basically, there are some sort of a thing that okay, if you wanted to masturbate, try to masturbate during the night. Okay, during the sleep. During the sleep, what do you mean by that? Like basically is that during the night, you have a kind of like a something really very good privilege of time. Okay, because after the masturbation, your body, your mind, everything is relaxed. All right, and you can easily bit relax after you sleep. Okay, because after that you will get sleep almost like a 5 to 6 hours. Okay, but if you masturbate during the day, that means the entire day is destroyed. Like you can't do anything at all. Okay, after you masturbate, your mind and body just bit freeze and just fucked up. You stress free, your body wants to be relaxed, your body wants to be sleep, and because of that you don't really do anything. Okay, and in the end your entire day is wreck, entire day became broke, entire day became waste. And because of that, all those negative thoughts are stuck inside of my head, that okay, what if the my channel didn't really grow, and what is this thing and everything. And because of that now, I was literally frustrated, like what the fuck is that. All right, so I didn't really went to the workout as also. Yeah, let me tell you one thing what exactly happened. Right, so I masturbate at 11:30 a.m. All right, and then after that, okay, I already didn't really upload any shorts, any reels, and I didn't really like my video is already uploaded, but I didn't really schedule my video. So just that key, let's just do that thing first. All right. So I did that. I scheduled the reels, schedule my video. All right. Everything that I did is good, great, khatam. All right. Then after that, I took the shower and then I ate my dinner. And then I today I have to play Uncharted 4. Oh, and after I play Uncharted 4, today I have to record the Uncharted 4 as also. Okay, the game, the length of the gameplay is almost like a 1 hour. All right, so I have to figure it out that how should I execute that thing. Then I record the reference gameplay and then I went to sleep. I went to sleep at 4:30 p.m. I wake up at 6:30 p.m. Okay, after a 2 hour, I wake up. I just wash my face, and I became very hungry. So I ate omelette. All right, and after this, I'm making this article. So, what is the point of all those things and everything? Is that like first of all, there are several things that I wanted to control myself. What is the thing? Is that finding the triggered point and destroy that triggered point, destroy, delete, whatever it is. So my triggered point is actually happened because of yesterday I watched that YouTube video. All right. So YouTube has a feature that you can control some of the content which is kind of like a something really sensitive content. Okay, so you can block those content. Okay, so I did that. All right, I did that on three on every channel. I have three channel. Okay, Prozac Shorts and my main channel. All right, so I just block all those sensitive content, so I can't get or I can't recommend any sensitive content in my YouTube homepage, nothing at all. On mobile, never ever. All right. Then second thing is that keep private DNS. I already talked about this thing in the previous artifact episode. Is that there are several things, okay, to control the masturbation. They control the stay away from the porn sites. There are several DNS. What is the DNS? It's a network service, but I am not really sure about what is exactly. Is this like if you put specific kind of like a something really like you have to choose, okay, the DNS. I didn't really know what is the full form of DNS. I didn't really know what is that is this thing. Like there are several things in the every app, in the every phone. You go to the setting, search about private DNS. Okay, there are two options. First of all is a automatic, and then there is a manual. All right, so automatic means like that as an operator can choose which DNS required. Okay, and because of that DNS, you can access porn sites as also because it's a automatic. All right, when you set to the manual, after the manual you have to put some sort of a keywords to filter out the porn content. Okay, yeah, I have that keyword. All right, so I type that and set up manually. So when it does that, it actually filter out all those all those sexual content from internet. Okay, so you can use Chrome, YouTube, whatever it is. Okay, you can't access the porn site anything on your mobile phone, whatever the app that you install, because in the end that app use that DNS, and DNS is actually filtered out with that sexual content, so you can't access that much. All right, so I already include that. I already activate that private DNS. All right, so that is good. But the important thing is that in the end I am a human, because like all those things that I already knew, because all those things I already did it. So what makes it something really special today? Like what, like do I have that control that I will deactivate those? Windy over here. I am thinking that maybe rain will happen very soon. So yeah, it's good, great. I like that weather, but still you can't hear it properly, and I can't say it properly, so it doesn't really meant that much. All right, so this is it. This is that. Let me just enjoy the weather, and thank you.